Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Creations, My Solutions with Anamika Tyagi. In this video, you will be introduced by the topic division of a decimal by a decimal. In this type of question, basically you will get the dividend and divisor in the decimal form. How to divide these type of questions? Let me show you. First of all, we will write these dividend and divisor number, which is 3.24 by 0.6, we will write into fraction form like this. After that, we have to convert the divisor, which is denominator in this fraction. We will convert the divisor into the whole number by multiplying the dividend and divisor. It means numerator and denominator both. We will multiply the dividend and divisor both by 10, 100 or 1000 etc. and convert this number into the whole number, especially this divisor. Then how do you know that we should multiply by 10, 100 or 1000? Which number we will multiply in this? It's depend upon the number of decimal places in the divisor. How many decimal place is given in this question? You can see this, 1 decimal place. So as per 1 decimal place, we will multiply by 10 into the dividend and in divisor also. Okay, so what we will get here? We will get 32.4. As I mentioned that when we multiply by 10 or 100 or 1000, as per 0 is given in that, the decimal place move to the right side. Okay, so we will get 32.4 of this number and 6 converted into whole number. Now you have to see this. Okay, 0.6 now converted by multiplication. We had converted it into whole number. Now how to divide here? Here we can divide 32.6. So if you are able to solve, you can solve this like 6 1 just 6, 6 5 the 30 and 2 will be remainder, 6 4 ja 24. 1 decimal place, so we will put the decimal place here. We get the answer 5.4. Or if you don't know, so you will write into the decimal into the long division form and divide. 6 5 the 30, subtract the number, put the decimal in the quotient area, then take the other number 4 and 6 4 the 24. Am I clear? You can see in both way we get the same answer, 5.4. That is our answer. Okay, I hope do you understand and that you have understood that how to convert decimal number into the whole number and divide this fraction. Now this is our second question that we are going to solve this, 0.0448 by 0.8. In this is the dividend and this is the divisor. We will write into the fraction form as I already mentioned. Write into the fraction form first of all. Then observe how many decimal place in the divisor given. 1 decimal place, so we will multiply dividend and divisor by 10. See, we will multiply by 10. What we will get the answer? We will get another fraction, 0.448 upon 8. Now this 0.8, which is the divisor, here it is converted into whole number. Now we can divide as I explained above. Either you can do the long process of division, otherwise I am going to solve here only. 8 1 the 8, 8 5 the 40, 4 remainder, 8 6 the 48. 1 2 3 decimal place, so we will increase 1 0 to make it 3 decimal place, 1 2 3, and this is a 3 decimal place. Now our answer of this question, 0.056. Few more question we will solve in the same manner, so you will understand this question in better way. See, this is also 2.0484 by 0.18 is given the question. This is the dividend and this is divisor. We will write into the fraction form first of all. Then now here you can observe that how many decimal place? 2 decimal places are there. So we will multiply by 100 in this, okay, into the dividend also and divisor. 48 multiply by 100, 0.18 multiply by 100. Now we will get the answer in this 204.84 and dividend will be 18. Now we will divide by the new divisor to the new dividend, okay. So what we had to do, first of all we can divide this. 18 1 ja 18, 18 1 ja 18 and 18 1 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54, 14 will be remainder 144. So 18 8 ja 144. So what we will have the answer in the last 11.38. Now this is next question, 56.192 by 3.2. This is the dividend and this is divisor. We will going to divide here again by writing into the fraction form. Observe the number, what the decimal place in the dividend given, divisor given, 1 decimal place. So we will multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. 3.2 multiply by 10, it will change into 32. This is the number 32. Now we will divide this number. If you know the multiplication of 32, you can do directly. Otherwise, you will start from 8. 8 4s are 32 and 8 1s are 8 7s are, and after that we'll divide by okay, that 8 7s are 56, then number 0 because it cannot be divided, then 19, 8 2s are 16 and 2s are 16, 32. So 8 4s are 32. We'll divide by separately, then we can divide by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28 and 4 5s are 20. 2 will be remainder. 4 4 6 are 24. So what will answer? 17.56. Now next question I am going to solve. Divide. As you can see, 0.0108 by 0.0009. We will divide this number by writing into the fraction form. Observe divisor how many decimal place has? 1 2 3 4. So we will multiply by 10,000. Multiply by 10,000. So what number we will get, what the fraction we will get here? 108 upon 9. It can be divided. 9 1s are 9 and 9 1s are 9. 1 will be remainder. 9 2s are 18. My answer is 12. I hope you like the video and you have understood the content. Thank you.